pasal apa kerja?
Ani? Bibi banyak cik.
Sudah pasti enggak. Wih, saya bisa cuma ibu. Oh.
Ampun, kira mai wajib apa?
Let's look at it. Thank you. Let me introduce you to the team.
Please.
Our Permanent Secretary for Health,
How do you do?
Dr. Wong, our Permanent Secretary for Labour, Permanent Secretary for Defence. Yes. Hello,
You know, you are.
Good to see you again. Good to see you again. Yeah.
And my Chief of Staff, Thomas Mooney.
Bolas.
And Liz. You're the Prime Minister, so if you want to leave your mobile phone on, that's
Yes, we went yesterday to
Yes.
in Goa.
So, did you have to get off the boat and go home?
Sorry?
Did you have to come off the boat and go home and get
Yes.
put it in? I wouldn't have minded.
No,
I'm from Malaysia
in-
originally, so it's fine.
Yeah, I studied in Malaysia.
Which part?
Yeah, KL.
Oh, right.
Yeah,
What-
defense studies.
Oh, okay, yes. It's a strong.
Yeah,
I'm
we
from
had
the
some-
other side. I'm from Kinabalu,
Oh, okay.
East Malaysia.
Yeah.
This is beautiful.
Hello. Thank you very much. And enjoy the rest of your little short stay in Suva, in Fiji.
Okay, we start with this camera, then this one. Mine. Here we go. Okay, one more. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. So
Okay,
I'm
well-
just going to give this.
Oh. Thank you.
Yours is
Thank you.
bigger.
We're starting with this camera, and this one. Okay, here, look in here. One more. Thank you.
Thank you.
Request the delegation to join the
Okay. Ours. Here we go. One more. Thank you.
Oh, yes. No, yeah. I mean, studies, you're going to miss rugby tomorrow. Good day. Even somebody's Aussie rule. Yeah. We had our first rugby coach in the Navy in 1975 when we started was Chief Smith.
Okay.
Yeah, he's a Navy guy from Australia, and he's a Aussie rule coach,
A good kid.
and he coached us in rugby.
And you did well?
Oh yes, we had 4 captains from the Navy team,
Okay.
Fiji team. Yeah. So,
Fiji
Are
captain.
you a rugby player?
long time ago.
Long time ago.
As they say, long time ago.
I'll tell him that.
Okay, John. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Someone got my.
Yeah, Paul has.
See you later.
Okay.